Good tailor. In one of the poor villages, there was an old tailor. This man was the only tailor in this village, and he sewed clothes for all the villagers at good prices. One day, a resident of the village came to him and said to him, "You have a lot of money, so why not help the poor? The village butcher doesn't have half of what you have, and every day he gives the poor meat without taking money from them." The tailor replied, "God knows human intentions, and He is the only one who has the right to hold us accountable for our money." The man was very angry, left the tailor in annoyance, and rumored among the villagers that the tailor is a stingy person who loves money and refuses to help the poor. Days passed, and the tailor fell ill, and no one from the village visited him. The tailor died alone, without anyone asking about him. A month after the tailor's death, the butcher stopped sending meat to the poor, and when the villagers asked him why, he told them, "The meat that I was distributing was not from my personal money. The village tailor used to give me a large amount of money every month to distribute meat to the poor, and after his death, there is no free meat anymore." Moral of the story is, don't interfere in other people's affairs. Everyone is free to do whatever he wants as long as he does not harm you. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.